Hey, I just want to draw your attention to this. Notice this line up from Montana down to Wyoming, from Idaho, Utah. That straight line. Now, I thought it might have been the radar was off or something was wrong. I checked everything. I couldn't find any reason for this. So what do you guys know? What do you think about it?